Yeah, okay, it's Saturday morning, October the 13th, 2019. We see buzzards. What a scary world. Like to film birds. We're eating something dead here at the interstate at Highway 341 at 193 here at the foot of the Lookout Mountain, or really Cumberland Plateau. Yeah, it's cool and cloudy here. Hopefully next week at this time I'll be in Dahlonega, Georgia at the Gold Rush Festival. See, I went to the Black Gold Festival in Hazard, Kentucky about a month ago. A little less than a month ago, about 3 weeks ago. And made a video up there. Yeah. This is deep south, Cumberland Plateau Country. Hazard's up in the very heart of Cumberland Plateau Country, not far from where the town of Cumberland, the town that Mountain Range is named after. Yeah, most of the Cumberland Plateau is in the states of Tennessee and Kentucky. Scary world. It's like to film the birds right here. Buzzards. I know people like birds. Well, 2 minutes, 17 seconds. I'll cut it off right now, and I'll be making some videos over at Gold Rush days next weekend.